Hello, Martin Baker here. I am over in Peacehaven and want to show you one of the best man caves I've seen in a long time. So we completed this building in April 2019. I'm actually back to quote for a second building. I haven't been back to see this one. I can't believe it. And I just love what the client's done inside with his office in inverted commas. It's just a 5.4 metre wide, 3.1 metre deep building. You've got the store on that left-hand side, you can see there, regular garden store. And the door, we've got a single UPVC door that's actually on the side. Let me take you inside this, I'm going to say office, but that's absolute rubbish. It's a man cave all day long. So absolutely loving it. So we've got the sofa here, the desk. We designed the store section to work perfectly for that desk, and that gave this kind of alcove you can see there where the dartboard is. So the whole idea is that the desk is working there, and then I love this. So this gentleman's into his music like me, so he's got his deck set up there, everything going on. Utilize that space for the dartboard, so working here. And then, of course, at the end of the day, when you're finished, you might as well pop to the bar. And that's what we've got going on here as well. So I absolutely love it. A really good involvement. They used it during lockdown, loved it because of it, and really found that has made it do more and more through the years that they've had it now. It's about to say around about 4 years on, and it's just a great space. I've got the blinds down. I'm doing that just to show you all the lighting and making this whole place a disco. I absolutely love it. We've got the roller blinds on here, so that works perfect. That works perfect. So yeah. So there we go. There's a really amazing. I'm going to use the word man cave. I think that's absolutely allowed in this term with the bar. I mean, even look around the back here. They've really done well. Everything's set up. I've got the keg machine on the go, the glasses. So the bar, the office space, taking up a small amount of area, I would suggest. Dartboard, decks up. What a great man cave, and a great use of a relatively small space, relatively small. This whole thing is 5.4, but then you've got that alcove in it. So yeah, really lovely. Really pleased to show you that. Let us know what you think about that. With the telly on the wall, with the office and with the lounge area, with them decks and bar, is there anything you think this building is missing?